we're planting cuttings at Proven Winners. And I've learned you take the cutting, you put it in, and you pinch. You take the cutting, you put it in, and pinch. Isn't this so much fun? Okay, pinch it in the end.
You're doing good, Kelly.
All right,
Keep it up.
thanks, Jeff. Hey, so this is the greenhouse portion of Proven Winners. Tell me what we're doing here.
Yeah, so today we're sticking portulaca cuttings. The folks are doing a really great job. They think we got the cuttings in this morning, and they should have them all stuck by this afternoon.
Wow, and I tell you what, you have a real dedicated team here.
Yeah, we
So
got a great staff.
We start with what? What's in this tray?
We use what they call a soilless media that's sphagnum peat moss from Canada, and then we add a perlite for aeration, and then there's a little bit of what we call a starter charge, a little fertilizer in there. So it's like a 60-40 mix between the peat moss and the perlite.
And I'll tell you what, we're all wearing gloves.
Absolutely.
Tell me about that. Why?
Yeah, sanitation is job one here. Yeah, and
that looks very nice.
They have to make sure if they're touching cuttings, they've got gloves on. They've also got alcohol that they use to spray their hands in between. And so every 3 trays, they'll go through. Yep.
Okay.
They got to use their alcohol.
Okay.
Make sure they're disinfecting.
Spray.
Yep.
Rub.
Yep.
Fantastic.
Doing a great job.
Now can I keep going?
Yeah, she's good to go now.
Okay. We're almost done with this tray right here.
Well, if you really want to see something super, I've got something to show you.
All right. Wow, Jeff, you aren't kidding. This really is some super stuff going on. What is this machine?
This is the ISO 2500.
Okay, what are we planting today?
We're planting super bells. This is an automatic sticking machine.
One of my faves.
Yeah, this is some of the latest in greenhouse technology. Comes to us from the Netherlands, actually, from Holland. That's where the technology starts. A lot of greenhouse technology comes from Holland.
So this is the little robot hand. Tell me how it's working.
Yeah, so it operates on a vision system where it has 2 overhead cameras, and it takes pictures of the cuttings, and it tells our robot arm where to pick them up and how to grab them so that it plants them in the soil.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah,
and you
really
actually had to teach it how to do that.
Yeah, you have to take photographs of the cuttings, and then you train it, and you teach it how to pick them up and plant them, and it does a great job.
So I hear that startling sound every once in a while. That, what is that?
That's a feature that separates the cuttings. It keeps them bouncing, and then it allows the cameras also to keep taking pictures so that because we're reorienting the cuttings because sometimes they stick together.
Yeah. It looks like we're empty. Can I put more on?
Absolutely.
Okay. Now, does it automatically start the machine?
Yeah, it's loading a tray right now, so it's pausing for a moment so we can put some cuttings on here.
All right, and where do these cuttings come from?
These cuttings come to us, well, actually from many places.
Okay.
We get them from Central and South America.
Okay.
We have stock facilities where they grow the stock plants, and the cuttings are taken and we import them in.
Okay.
Yeah.
But these are under our supervision even till they get here, right?
Absolutely, yes. This is Proven Winners approved stock and processes all the way through, yeah. It streamlines some of the work that we do. We can put certain plants on here and it does a very, very accurate job. Okay. And we can run this multiple shifts.
But we are still planting some of these cuttings by hand.
Absolutely.
So it's a good mix. This is a fun job.
Yeah, it can be fun.